Friday, February 16. Friday after Ash Wednesday. Focus. Fasting like yours this day will not make your voice to be heard on high. Today's readings help us avoid the pitfall of just going through the motions during this season of Lent. Fasting, for example, has always been challenging for God's people. While we may keep the letter of the law, we fail to see its connection with everyday life and behavior. Through the prophet Isaiah, God speaks clearly of the fast that I choose, one that brings healing and transformation. Such fasting is not simply a self-centered ritual, but a means to soften the heart and open the eyes to notice those who are in need and reach out to them. And God promises, "Then you shall call, and the Lord will answer. You shall cry, and He will say, 'Here I am.'" We have perhaps grown comfortable and complacent with spiritual exercises, devotions, and donating to charity. But what matters more is whether we deny ourselves so that we may reach out in love to the poor, the homeless, the sick, and the marginalized. And fasting is not just from food. We could fast from our phones and other gadgets and use the time to reflect on the mass readings of Lent. In this way, we allow God to speak to us and bring about a renewal in us. Fruit. This Lent, I will listen carefully to what God is saying to me and put it into practice.